Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Just One Question. This is a drama, and before that I will tell you about the characters in this drama. First is narrator. Narrator means one who tells a story. Emperor Akbar, King Akbar, Birbal, Meghraj, and courtiers. Courtiers means a person who attends a royal court as a companion or advisor to the king or queen. We will start with scene 1. Narrator. Emperor Akbar had an advisor. Advisor means a person who gives advice or tells you what to do. Named Birbal in his court. Birbal was famous for his smart thinking and clever answers. Emperor Akbar would often call on Birbal whenever he had a problem that he could not solve. One day, a learned scholar, learned means a person having lot of knowledge. Scholar means a person who knows a lot about a particular subject. Named Meghraj came to Akbar's court. Narrator is telling that Emperor Akbar had an advisor named Birbal in his court, and Birbal was known for his smart thinking and clever answers. Emperor Akbar depended on Birbal. Akbar was totally dependent on Birbal to solve a difficult problem for which he had no solution. One day, a learned scholar named Meghraj came to Akbar's court. Meghraj: "Oh, Emperor Akbar, I have heard so much about your Birbal's wit." Wit means the ability to say things that are very clever. Meghraj is saying to Akbar that Emperor Akbar, I have heard so much about your advisor Birbal wit. Emperor Akbar: "Yes, Birbal is my trusted advisor. He has the answer to all my questions." In Meghraj's question, Emperor Akbar replied, "Yes, Birbal is my trusted advisor and he knows the answer to all my questions." Meghraj: "I do not believe that anyone can be so clever that he has answers to all questions. I would like to question him and witness his cleverness for myself." Meghraj came to Akbar's court to ask questions to Birbal and judge his cleverness. Meghraj could not believe that anyone was so clever that he could answer to all his questions. Emperor Akbar: "Certainly I am confident that Birbal will answer any question you put to him." Akbar said that he was confident that Birbal could answer any question. Narrator: Birbal was summoned to the court. He came at once and bowed politely to his emperor. Narrator says Birbal was called to the court. Birbal came immediately and bowed politely to his emperor. Birbal: "Your Majesty, what can I do for you?" So Birbal is saying, Your Majesty, what can I do for you? Emperor Akbar, Birbal, we have been honored by the visit of Meghraj, the learned scholar. He wishes to question you and see if you can answer. So Emperor Akbar told Birbal that we have been honored by the visit of Meghraj, the great scholar, and Meghraj wished to question you and see if you can answer his questions. Birbal, it will be my honor to answer his questions. So Birbal is saying that it will be my honor to answer Meghraj questions. Meghraj, well Birbal, would you answer 100 easy questions or just one difficult one? Meghraj said that he would either ask Birbal 100 simple questions or one difficult question. So what Meghraj is saying that you have two options, Birbal. One is 100 easy question or only one difficult question. Birbal, thinking hard, sir, I would rather answer the difficult one since I have to be off on some important work and will not have the time to answer 100 questions. So Birbal says, sir, I would answer one difficult question because I have to go for some important work and I will not have that much time to answer 100 questions. So Birbal choose the difficult question. Narrator, Meghraj agreed at once. He had a question in mind that no one had ever been able to answer. Narrator is saying that Meghraj agreed, and Meghraj says, okay, I have one very difficult question in my mind which no one had ever been able to answer that difficult question. Meghraj, well, then answer this. Did the chicken come first or the egg? Meghraj asked Birbal whether the chicken had come first or the egg. Birbal, at once. The egg, sir. So Birbal at once replied, the egg, sir. Meghraj, how can you say that? Meghraj suddenly says that, how can you say that the egg comes first? Birbal, sorry sir, you said you would ask just one question and you have already asked one. Now I must be off. So what was Birbal reply? Birbal replied, sorry sir, you said that you will ask only one difficult question and you have already asked that. Now you can't ask another question to me. Because in the beginning only Meghraj asked Birbal that would you prefer to answer 100 easy question or just a single difficult one. Birbal chose to answer only one difficult question whose answer Birbal had already given. So this was a witty answer which Birbal gave. Meghraj was left speechless by Birbal's witty reply. He now knew why people called Birbal so clever. He was convinced of Birbal's wit and left Emperor Akbar's court happily. Children, once you read the whole chapter by yourself, thank you.